Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Plug the headphones into two devices to verify one side truly fails. Next, inspect the plug, strain relief and cable for breaks. Pinch gently while listening to detect intermittent connection. Clean the plug and device jack with 70% isopropyl and a burst of compressed air to remove debris. Once done, test with a known good adapter or different Apple wired headphones so you know whether the issue is the cable, connector, or source. Once you confirm the fault is in the headphones, carefully open the earbud housing or plug casing using small screwdrivers and pry tools. Use minimal force to avoid tearing wires. Then, use a multimeter to check continuity on the left, right, and ground conductors while wiggling the cable to locate the intermittent break. If a joint is cracked, cut back to clean wire, tin, and resolder the conductor to its pad, then insulate with heat shrink. This restores connection and prevents future breaks. You finish by reassembling the housing so the strain relief clamps over the soldered wires. This is crucial to avoid repeating the failure. Test audio playback and voice calls on at least two devices, listening for balanced output and checking for static during cable movement. If one side remains dead after resoldering, replace the 3.5 mm plug or the whole cable assembly. Sometimes the internal flex or tiny driver fails. If that fails, use a verified replacement or professional repair as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.